Hi guys, my name is Yonela Mpiti and welcome to my very first YouTube video. So today I'm going to be telling you guys how I got all of these 400 bucks. Yes, 100 bucks. They are worth 415 rand. I just bought them now. Like, what time did I buy them? I bought them at I can't see the time now, but probably like 30 minutes ago, and they arrived in like, they got to my place and like took 15 minutes for them to be delivered. So now let's unbox the first. Let's put this down and then oh my goodness, this is heavy. There are so many. Let us open the first one to see what we have inside. So we have our lettuce, which it looks fresh. Shame, I don't want to lie to you. We have our lettuce, we have our cucumber, we have, oh, maybe this is what was heavy. We have, mind you, all of these were 100 bucks, okay. We have our butternut. I'm not a fan of butternut, but obviously for 100 bucks, I know. We have our onions. These were 12 rand. I remember them clearly because I was like, onions for 12 bucks, definitely. And then we have our potatoes. We have potatoes. Let's open our second packet. That is very heavy. On our second packet, we have broccoli. I'm also not a fan of broccoli, so if you guys know like how to like cook or make broccoli nicely, besides like the whole boiling thing, I don't know what you add. Some people want to add mayo, some people want to add, I don't know, spices and stuff. I don't know. I need to get used to you, my friend. I need to get used to you. I don't like you. We have some tomatoes. Oh, these are fresh. These are fresh. And they're cold when they're fresh, so I need to store them nicely. We have beetroot. I love beetroot with, growing up I never used to like eating beetroot because I never liked the taste, and plus too, it makes food go dirty and stuff. But now I'm starting to enjoy it with chutney. I think maybe because it just removes the flavor and stuff, it deletes the flavor, so that's why I'm starting to enjoy this now. And then we have, what is this? Oh, red onions. Is this red onions? Red onions, yeah, for my salad, because I like making couscous salad, pasta salad, anything salad ginger. I just prefer making that. Then we have carrots. Yeah, these are huge carrots. Hey-bo. Last but not least, we have our sweet corn, and this looks delicious. So I can't wait to make all of these for you guys, and yeah, and my friends. Obviously my friends are going to be enjoying them. Yeah, anyway, all of this cost me 100 rand including delivery. I did not pay a single. I will put the screenshot at the very end to show you guys that I paid, to be exact, I paid 105 rand 99 cents. I think that's how much I paid for everything. And this is not a paid promo. I'm just sharing what I got today. Thank you guys for tuning in. Be sure to like, follow, subscribe. I don't know how YouTube works and stuff, so yeah, it's your favorite girl. See you next time. I will be cooking all of these, and I will include you when I'm cooking all of these. Ciao, ciao.